the owner of Knot Dog Grooming. So we're cage-free and one-on-one, and we really focus on humanity over vanity grooming. We always put the comfort of the dogs in our care first.
I'm Shannon Florence. I work here at Knot Dog Grooming as a dog bather. We really find it important that the animals are as stress-free as possible while they're here. So we work really hard at just kind of moving slowly, working at their pace, making them as comfortable as possible, and making the groom something that they'll look forward to instead of being scared to come.
We've always had poodles, and with COVID and everything shutting down, I had to learn how to groom our own dogs. Shampooch used to be here before us, and Diane was moving out east, so it was a great opportunity to kind of move into this space where clients were already coming.
So all three of us here, we completed a fear-free certification course, so we're all certified fear-free. So what that just means is that we're working really, well with the animals, trying to ease them into the process of a grooming. So if it comes to just kind of giving them treats, incentives as they're going about the groom, getting them into the bathtub, just working with them instead of forcing them, moving really slowly, giving them a lot of rewards, positive reinforcement. My favorite part of the process is having them come in looking all scruffy and then watching how excited they are to walk out and how proud they are of themselves and how excited they are to see their families afterwards and seeing how happy everybody is with their pets afterwards.
For 2022, we were nominated as Aurelia's Best Dog Grooming Salon, and we were just told that we actually won for that, and we're super excited and thankful to all of our customers for voting for us, and we're looking forward to a great 2023.